Student, very good morning. Student, this is your science teacher, and we are going to discuss about the chapter 9. And in chapter 9, we will discuss about topic changes around us. Okay, changes around us that take place around every day in our nearby. Okay, we will explore in this chapter reversible and reversible changes, fast and slow changes. Okay, as you can see here, it is written that Falak has a ball of clay with her. Okay, Falak is a name of girl and she has a ball of clay. Okay, with the help of this ball of clay, she makes an apple with it and then a mango. Firstly, she makes an apple with the help of clay, and after then it she makes a mango. Means by taking a ball of clay, she makes different types of shapes with the same clay. Okay, without losing any amount of it. Means she by the with the help of a ball of clay, she used to make many types of models. Like sometimes he makes mango, sometimes he make orange, sometimes he make here it is written apple. Okay, and during the making of this model, she don't lose any amount of it in this process. Okay, means she every time she brings back the ball of clay to its original form. Okay, uh, so by taking clay of ball of clay, what she want to show. Okay, what she want to show by doing these activities, she want to show that we can change. Okay, we can change of in this model, in its color, in its shape, in its size, or in the composition of the object. Okay, and when the color, shape, size, or the composition of an object becomes different, it is called change. Okay, composition means here constituents or ingredients present in a thing or substance. Okay, student, we want to say that I want to say that in the different changes takes place in our day-to-day life. Okay, some changes may be reversed while some changes may not be reversed. Okay, here you saw that Falak has taken a ball of clay and she makes different models with the help of this clay, and without losing any amount of it. Okay, so here Falak is reversing the model by taking ball of clay, and she makes different types of model. Okay, such changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. Okay, such are changes uh, which can be reversed are called reversible changes, and in opposite, the changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Okay, uh, to understand this topic, we I am going to show you one more example. Suppose this is one paper, and using this paper we can fold in different shape. Okay, we can fold it in different shape, and again we can reshape it again in either model. Okay, so change is this change can be known as reversible change. Now we see here Mano is having a clay modeling session in his school. He takes a lump of clay and shapes it on the potter's wheel. He makes a clay jar and bakes it in the pot oven. Can Mano change this baked clay jar into the same lump of clay which he used in the beginning? Here, by this example, it is it want to this example want to show that Mano has taken a clay modeling participate in a clay modeling session in his school. Okay, he takes a lump of clay and shapes it on the potter's wheels. uh, Potter's wheels, here you can see in the pictures, this is the Mano, and she has taken potter's wheel, and he on this potter's wheel he has put a lump of clay, and he is reshaping, giving the shapes to the lumps of clay. Okay, and after shaping the clay, he bakes it on the pot oven. Okay, but can Manu change this baked clay in jar into same lump of clay? Means the model that he baked on the jar, can he convert it into the again lump of the clay? Okay, not. We cannot change into the lump of clay. Why? Because this is the irreversible changes. Okay, many things are there, or many changes are there which cannot be reversed again in its original position or in original condition. Okay, so the changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Okay, the changes which cannot be reversed again, which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Like that, we can not convert yogurt into the milk. Okay, we cannot do the change yogurt into the milk. Here you can see so many examples of irreversible changes. Right now I told that formation of yogurt from milk. Okay, means from milk we can make the yogurt, but from yogurt we cannot make the milk. Okay, so this is the example of irreversible changes. Okay, from the mud we can bake the bricks, but from the bricks we cannot make the mud, or we cannot bake it in the original position. One more example, here you can see that a child growing into an adult. Okay, a child grow into an adult, but an adult cannot grow or cannot be back to its uh, child stage. Okay, so these are the example of irreversible changes. And for of reversible changes, the so many examples are here written, such that melting of ice. Melted ice can be frozen back to its solid form. Okay, melting of ice is the example of reversible changes. Why? We make first we make the ice cream. Okay, but ice cream gets melt when we take out it from the fridge. Okay, but on in the by putting it in the fridge again, we can convert into the solid ice cream again. Okay, folding of paper, this is also an example of reversible changes that I had told already. And the evaporation of water can change into the water vapor. And okay, evaporation of water can change into the water vapor by getting it heat. Okay, so Here it is written as water evaporated into vapors can be brought back by the condensation. And when we convert the water into the water vapor can be again brought to its original position, original condition like water. Okay, by the process condensation. So many process are there, so many examples are there, okay, of reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, so student, for today this is for today this is so student, today we had discussed about the topic reversible and irreversible changes. On next day, we will know more about reversible and irreversible changes and fast and slow changes. Okay, you have to you have to understand the chapter well. And next day we will meet you again. Again, thank you.